I am here with the gorgeous Adeola, and today we're showing you the gift of adoring eyes. This is such a handy gift or stocking filler at only €30 or £25. It contains an exclusive and totally brand new eyeshadow duo, plus our best-selling MyMascara. I also feel like eye gifts are such an easy thing for people.
Super easy, and you've chosen the perfect colours for it as well.
Yeah, we did. Yeah, I like to think that too. So let's show you what's inside the gift of adoring eyes. Da, da, da. So like I said, we have our brand new eyeshadow duo. We've never done a duo like this before. One matte, one shimmer. I think the makeup artist in both of us will acknowledge the difference of the tones and the finishes. So important to give yourself a really easy and light within eye. And of course we have our ultra black MyMascara.
Have to have the MyMascara.
So let's get them on us. So talk us through how you would apply these two.
So I would always start with the matte first and then add the shimmer. I always want to pick up the eyeshadow and tap off the
We're both
excess.
doing tappy.
Like the true makeup artists that we are. And then just press that onto the eyelid. And you've really taken the guesswork of having to do eyeshadow, Amy, haven't you?
So we do definitely like to make it easy. And I think particularly at like holiday festive time, people are often exploring new products or new brands.
Yeah.
So putting the duo eyeshadow together was important for us to be able to offer the flexibility across the tone. Like I'm literally taking that deeper matte shade with my blender brush, like Adeola said, and I'm circling it back and forth into the socket. Literally any single body could do this. Inside a mirror, keep your eye open, circle that brush, bring it the whole way around, and the fact that it's matte, it's going to give you a soft bit of contouring of the eye, nothing too harsh, and it's also a medium tone. So you get that lovely balance between having a shadow on, but not a super smoky colour.
Exactly, and you're getting that definition without it being too heavy, you know?
Yeah.
Because I think a lot of people, like you said, want to experiment with like a smoky eye, but then they're going with like a black or a very heavy colour, and then at that point they're like, oh, I'm too scared. This is foolproof, like anyone can do it with this.
And think about it easily, right? So say you're at your desk and you're like, oh my God, I've got to be at cocktails in like 2 hours time.
Yes.
You take out your duo, you pop on your matte. I'm going to take the shimmer with my ring finger, not even using a brush. I'm going to sweep that the whole way across my eyelid. I love shimmer. I think it's such an easy way to add light to the eye. It works on everybody. And my biggest tip is always to take your finger or your brush and just keep it really close to that lash line. So look how easy it is. Full eye look done with just 2 colours.
Beautiful.
Love that shimmer on you.
And the shimmer is really flattering. I think a lot of people get scared of using shimmer, but there's not like huge chunks of glitter in this. It's like really flattering and really will help to illuminate your eyes as well.
Yeah, you're not going to have sparkle in your blusher.
Yeah.
Which is not what we want. Okay, let's get our mascara on. No eye look is complete without mascara. In particular, MyMascara. This is ultra black. I always say MyMascara delivers instant volume and intensity. So it's not for the faint-hearted, it's not designed to be, it gives you impact.
So I'm taking the bristles of the MyMascara and really wigging it through. What's great is that if you are someone that really struggles with definition or you find that you're really lacking with your lashes, I like to go right in between the roots and then wiggle my mascara through just to capture every single lash and get that definition. And it really enhances your lash line to make your lashes look really nice and bold and voluminous.
And that is the gift of adoring eyes, featuring a brand new and exclusive eyeshadow duo plus our MyMascara. We literally did our eyes in the space of 3 minutes. Anyone can do this.